Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Absolute Affirmations, a 44 positive affirmation card deck by Krystal Banner. This is published by Hay House and it retails for $19.99 in the US and $25.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link exactly where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. Okay, let's get into this. So it says, empower yourself. Manifest the life of your dreams and keep your vibration high with this colorful and current 44 card positive affirmation deck. Each time you choose a card, recite the affirmation, read the message, and reflect. Your journey starts here. I'm excited because I love affirmation decks. I have quite a few of them, and a lot of them I still need to get to for filming for you guys. So I'm excited to get into this one. So let's go. It flips up like this. Cute. It says your journey starts here. And there's no guidebook, but I don't really feel like you would need one in this situation. So it does have instructions, and it says, oh, cute. Perfectly embodying the nature of a thing. So each card in this deck contains a visual, an affirmation, and helpful words of guidance. Speak your affirmations with the confidence that they are true statements you are sending to the universe. Be intentional in your declarations. This is your opportunity to manifest a new reality. These cards can be used in a variety of ways, including the listed below. So a daily draw, shuffle the deck as you would playing cards and pick one card, focus on the affirmation for the day. An intuitive pull, fan the cards out and lay them flat. Allow your intuition to guide you to the card or cards that will best support your current situation. Or freestyle. Use your own special style. Be creative and use your intuition. This can be used in conjunction with other decks to amplify your message. All right, and then we have Krystal on the back there. Cute. All right, they are a square card. That's fun. These are also going to be great to pull and see throughout your day. So carry it with you, put it on your refrigerator or your vanity, mirror in the bathroom, wherever you're going to see it all day. All right, let's talk about cardstock real fast. They're really nice. Okay, so they're not too thick, not too thin. Hay House is doing a better job with the cardstock, I must say. All right. And then the back is the message of the affirmations. So let's get into it. And then we'll shuffle them and we'll pull a card and read the back. Cute. I love it so far. My chakras are lit. That's cute. Ooh. This is very fun, very positive, very freeing. I really like the choice of affirmations so far. The art is fun. That's creative. Love it. Oh, this is fantastic. What a wonderful gift. What a wonderful stocking stuffer. This could be given to anybody. Everybody deserves to feel positive about themselves. Love a good affirmation deck. This is a great form of self-care too. Get it done. Oh, wow. That's cool. Very creative. Oh, cute. Oh, I love that. My words have power. Absolutely. Oh. Oh, I love the reference. Okay. Awesome. Let's go ahead and see how it shuffles. Ooh, quite nice, actually. Look at that. Whoop. They're very flexible. They snap back. Yeah, if they start to bend because you are bending them with shuffling, just bend them back. They should be fine. Yeah, awesome. Okay, let's see how they shuffle this way. Whoop. Oh, don't really have an issue. Okay, we're going to read for this one. All right, today is a good day. And the back says, greet each day with an attitude of appreciation for the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Proclaim that no matter what happens, you will make the best of this singular and unique day. Believe wholeheartedly that everything will work in your favor, and it will. Set the tone by affirming, today is a good day. I love this deck. I think it's fun. I think it's very accessible. I think that there's some fantastic affirmations in this deck. The price tag is on point. Really like it. You do not need a guidebook. I love that there's the little blurb on the back there to help you out. Some people don't like that. I totally get it. But with an affirmation deck, it doesn't bother me at all. I like the size of this too, because then you can take it around, like I said earlier, put it wherever you need to see it so you have that reminder. Heck, put it even like right next to your TV if you're going to spend the day, in front of the TV or your computer, whatever the case may be. I think it's fantastic. I am really happy with how the art is. The cardstock's great. I really honestly don't have anything negative to say other than I would want more because I always do. So with that being said, if this is a deck that you have and you enjoy it, please let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below, as well as if you are excited about the deck and don't have it yet, or if you don't like the deck, let me know your reasonings for that too. I love hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions. Everybody's preferences are different. That's why it's so interesting to see all your comments. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you and I appreciate the heck out of you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.